Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Divyansh Shashad and I am going to present before you my video assignment of Design and Analysis of Algorithms. I am from Department of Information Technology, KIET group of institutions. So let's begin. The topic of my presentation is Hamiltonian cycles. To understand Hamiltonian cycles, we need to find out what are Hamiltonian paths. So in an undirected graph, a Hamiltonian path is a path that visits each vertex exactly once. And a Hamiltonian cycle is a Hamiltonian path such that there is an edge from the last vertex to the first vertex. That is, it forms a cycle. So the Hamiltonian problem is a problem in which we try to determine whether a graph contains a Hamiltonian cycle or not. And if the Hamiltonian cycle is present, we will try to print the cycle. So the input for the problem will be an adjacency matrix of the graph. As you can see here, we have a adjacency matrix of the corresponding graph as shown in the figure. The output will be false if there is no Hamiltonian path. Otherwise, if there is a Hamiltonian path, the output will be the path itself. So let's come to the algorithm. We will be using two functions. The first one is valid. It will take two arguments. First one is the vertex v and the position k. And the output will be that it checks whether placing v in the position k is valid or not. So the algorithm is like that first of all we'll check if there is any edge between node k minus 1 to v, then we'll return false. Or if the v is already taken, then also we'll return false. Otherwise we'll return true. The second function which we will be using is cycle found. It will take a node of the graph as an input and the output will be true when there is a Hamiltonian cycle, otherwise it will be false. So first of all we will check if all the nodes are included. Then there is a nested condition. If there is an edge between nodes k and 0, then we'll return true, otherwise we will return false. For all vertex we will be traversing except the starting point and check if there is a valid v for k, that is when v is a valid edge, we'll add v to the path, otherwise we'll check if cycle is found, then we'll return true, otherwise we'll remove v, that is we will be backtracking and before the ending we will be returning false. This is how the algorithm looks like. Now let's see how the code look like. So this is a code written for Hamiltonian paths. As you can see, there are two functions, is valid and the cycle found. And so thank you everybody. Hope you liked it.